Did you know a man was assassinated on a busy London bridge with a weapon too small to see with the naked eye? In September 1978, Georgy Markov was standing on Waterloo Bridge, waiting for a bus. A stranger bumped into him, jabbed the back of his leg with an umbrella, apologized, and walked away. Markov felt a small sting. He thought nothing of it. 4 days later, he was dead. Doctors were baffled. He had a fever, his organs were failing, and no one could explain why. Then they found it. Buried in his leg was a tiny platinum pellet, smaller than a pinhead, drilled with holes no bigger than a fraction of a millimeter. Inside those holes was ricin, one of the most lethal poisons on Earth. There is no antidote. The pellet was so precisely made that only a government intelligence program could have built it. The CIA later confirmed the weapon came from the Soviet KGB. Markov had been a dissident, a man who criticized the Bulgarian communist regime on radio broadcasts. So they sent someone to kill him on a bridge in the middle of the day, in front of everyone with a modified umbrella, and nobody saw a thing.